dismiss Arar's case. A video has been published on the internet showing a former Bush administration attorney training police officers in Arizona on how to detect undocumented immigrants. The training is conducted by Chris Kobach, a Kansas-based attorney who helped draft Arizona's law that orders police officers to stop and interrogate anyone they suspect is undocumented. Kobach is a former Justice Department attorney who helped John Ashcroft create a program that required all visiting citizens from 25 mostly Arab countries to be fingerprinted and monitored. Chris Kobach now works for the Immigration Reform Law Institute. During the training, he listed 20 ways police officers can detect undocumented immigrants.
Indications from the dress or appearance of the individual that he has recently, that he is an illegal alien, and perhaps that he has just entered without inspection based on the totality of circumstances. Number 19, related indications that the vehicle and or its occupants have been on a very long trip. And number 20, the individual avoids making eye contact with the officer. And this, of course, can give rise to reasonable suspicion not only in the immigration context, but in other law enforcement contexts as well.
In other news from Arizona, 15 people, including several students, were arrested at the state offices of education in Tucson Wednesday. The group was protesting Arizona Governor Brewer's decision to sign a law banning the teaching of ethnic studies in public schools. Meanwhile, Judy Burns, president of the Tucson Unified School District's governing board, says she will not comply with the law. This is Isabel Garcia, co-chair of the Tucson-based Coalition for Human Rights and legal defender of Pima County, Arizona.
These students here are here because they've got to fight. They can't legalize discrimination. They cannot legalize racism. They cannot legalize the elimination of knowledge and classes that they feel are important to them. And they're very clear about what's going on in the state of Arizona. So they're clearly fighting this entire police state and toxic racist environment that we're subjecting them to as the state of Arizona. So these students are really clear. They're not going to go back.
Meanwhile, the boycott of Arizona over its anti-immigrant laws continues to gain steam. The Los Angeles City Council has voted to bar the city from conducting business or reaching new contracts with Arizona businesses. It also prohibits most city business trips to the state.